Hey everyone, welcome to Mix It Up Art. Today we are going to be painting our own dot based off of the book, The Dot. To get started, you're going to get a sheet of square watercolor paper, and you're going to notice that this paper is a little bit rough. So if you run your finger across it, you're going to feel a little bit of texture. We're also going to be using some watercolors. If you've never used watercolors before, you're going to notice that they're dry. And they're supposed to be like that because we're going to be using some water and a wet paintbrush to paint with them. So you want to make sure that you get your paintbrush wet. So I have mine in the water, and you're going to pick whatever color you want. In the center, I want you to paint a big dot. Then you're going to rinse your paintbrush, and you're going to get a different color, and you're going to paint a big circle around that dot. And then you're going to get a different color, and you're going to paint a circle around that circle. And you're going to keep adding circles of different colors until you get to the edge of the paper. Don't forget to wash your paintbrush and wet it in between each color. Now you might run off the edge of your paper, and that's okay. I want you to keep painting. So we can imagine that if we're painting a big circle that goes around that other circle, we can imagine what it would look like. I want you to keep painting until there is no white paper left, even on the corners of your paper. Then when we hang them on the wall, everyone's going to have their own individual dot, but they're going to be like tiles and they're going to look so beautiful next to one another. Don't forget, if you want to leave me a comment or tweet me a picture of your artwork, to follow me on Twitter at MixItUpArt, and as always, have fun.